Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So as you can read by the title of this video, today I'll be talking about my skincare regime that I have been religiously following from the last 4 months. So after the lockdown started, we were home, so there was no pollution that will be affecting our skin. So I started taking care of my skin, and from the various products that I bought that were well suited to my skin, I started using them daily, so that now that after 4 months I can actually review those products for you. And so without further ado, let's get started with the video. Now guys, to give you an overview of my skin, I'm like extremely dry skin. Like my cheeks and my periphery, they are too dry like Sahara Desert, and my T-zones and my chin, they are extremely oily. Moreover, under my eyes and on my nose, I have extremely large pores. That is why they secrete a lot of oil, and over the course of time, like you can say, even in an hour or so after I have washed my face, it will start oozing out the oil. But again, my cheeks and everything are quite dry. Now my problematic areas are my cheeks, because you can still see like there's a bit of discoloration around my cheeks and around my mouth. So because of my dry skin, I'm obviously inclined towards anything that screams glowing, hydration, and that is what you will be seeing in all these products. I highly recommend that if you're buying any of these products, please do a patch test and test it if your skin does not react to it. So the first product is a face wash. Now I have tried various face washes, and I do not have a particular type in it because all of those work well for me. But recently I came across this face wash, and this is the Mamaearth Upton face wash, which has turmeric and saffron. So Mamaearth's products are SLS and paraben free. So that is the first thing I see in it. Now using this face wash, what happens is, like my nose and my T-zones, which have secreted a lot of oil, it becomes squeaky clean. And for my dry skin type, it is a bit too dry. The face wash contains licorice extract, which is used to repair the sun damage, and it also has the carrot oil, which is again beneficial to remove the tan. So the face wash does contain small granules, so while you are washing your face, it is also going to exfoliate it as well. The granules are quite small, so it's not gonna harm your skin. It lathers well on your skin, and after you are done patting dry it, you will see that how clean your skin looks. The face wash, obviously it extracts all the oils, the natural oils. So the next thing that I need is something that adds that extra boost to my skin. For that I have the product, which is a toner that is from Global Beauty Secrets. It is this toner. This is the Indian Milk and Saffron toner. So this is 200 ml of bottle. It has this spray pump, and like I still need that hydration, so like this toner is for usually the dry skin types. For the oily, it will make your skin a little bit more shiny and your oil is gonna pop out. So I don't recommend this for the oily skin type. This product claims to soothe your skin and the pores, which it totally does. It does claim to hydrate your skin, and that is the thing which made me go towards it and be inclined towards this product. The hydration that this product provides is because of the milk protein that it contains. Also, the work of the toner is to balance your pH. Moving ahead, after the toner, the product that I'm going to use totally depends if I'm doing my morning skincare routine or night skincare routine. So for the morning skincare routine, I have a day cream that is from Perrine. So this is the Perrine Radiance Day Cream, which is enriched with kojic acid and licorice extract. So this licorice extract was also present in the Upton face wash that I used. So again, it works on to remove the tanning that your skin might have, and also it claims to protect your skin from UV rays. It works well on the dry skin type, and it works great under your makeup because it is not gonna make your skin more oily but provide the needed hydration that you want just before you're gonna apply the makeup. Now the nourishment of this product is derived from jojoba, kiwi, and these extracts are quite hydrating and nourishing. So this is the main reason why you see that glow on your skin after you have used this product. The texture of the cream is quite thick, so I warmed the product first and then just pat it on my face and let it just sit for few minutes, and you see that it gets absorbed really easily. Because I'm a lazy ass person, so I need products that will automatically get absorbed and do its magic like in few minutes or seconds, you can say. After the cream, I have an oil because again, sometimes the cream also doesn't work when my skin is extra dry, and I love to use this oil right here, which is the bio oil. And oh my god, if I had to choose one cream or one oil for my skin, I'm going to choose this oil because it already claims that it is the skincare oil. It is specialized for scar and stretch marks that you have. So your scars and stretch marks are beautiful. You don't need to change it. But if you need to, you should go for this product. I use 2 to 3 drops of this product, warm it in my palms and pat it into my skin so that it gets absorbed. This product can be used under your makeup if you want that glowy look. After being applied on the skin, it gives the skin that shiny look that I absolutely love. The main ingredient of the bio oil is the porcelain oil. So porcelain oil has molecules that help it to get absorbed in your skin quite easily and not stick on your skin like a layer. Now after I'm done with bio oil, I still can think of using in the morning, but the next product is this. It is from Bubble Farm, which is an Indian brand. It is the face glow oil. It is handmade and 100% natural, so its product list does not contain any chemical. It has all the oils that you can think of applying on your skin, all brought into a single bottle. Now the reason why I can't use it in the morning is, first, it is quite thick. Like, it does get absorbed easily, but it is quite thick, and the second thing is it has a strong fragrance. You will see that the color of this oil is mustard yellow and it just glides on your skin, and after you have applied this oil, it does what it claims. It gives that glow to your skin. You use it at night. In the morning again, you will get up with nourishment and repaired skin that will just love you for what you gave it the last night. Moving on to the last product, we have the Aroma Essentials Tea Tree Oil. Now this I use for spot treatments whenever I see that I'm breaking out. It may be period acne or something. I just do this spot treatment, apply it on the bumps that just are gonna turn into an acne, and in a day or two it just dries it out. I'm using it around my forehead and on my nose because it is oily, so it tends to have much more acne and pimples. And once I'm done with that, I'm good to go for my beauty sleep. So guys, that is all for my skincare. It's quite simple, nothing complex, but these products I have learned to use over time and to see what works for my skin and what does not. I hope this video proves helpful to you. If it do, please leave your comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.